YouTube? I'm about to head to the shop and I'm about to show y'all these clippers that's dropping. Pre-orders is officially dropping right now. Okay, you can go pre-order it right now, but the official launch ain't until March. All right, so I don't know, man. I'm not suggesting that y'all to pre-order it, but if y'all want to wait, y'all can wait. If y'all want to, you know what I'm saying, pre-order right now. But I'm gonna head to the shop. I'm gonna show y'all these clippers, man. They're dope. Wait a minute, pulling up on my car, man. I thought that was a stick or something right there, but it's not. I don't know how close I can get to it, but that ain't no stick. This is a stick. But that right there, that ain't no stick, man. I don't know what's going on, man, with bugs in my car. If y'all seen the last video, I mean, it's been a while. There was a big old spider in my seat, man. I gotta throw it away the whole car, man. I don't know what's going on. I had to get my other bag out of the car because I had to go up to Sacramento to cut my grandfather's hair. What was it, yesterday? It was like Sunday. Sunday is I always go to cut his hair. Like every 3 weeks, I go to cut his hair, give him the whole little treatment, hot towel shave and all of that. But yeah, I got my clippers in here, so let's go. Oh my goodness, it scared me. Boy, it scared me, kid. Come on, man.
I thought you saw you walking up on you.
Nah.
My bad. The glare in the mirror.
Oh boy.
Glare in the mirror.
I got spooked. All right, you guys, so here it is, man. The Stylecraft X360 Jeezy clipper. Got the specs right here. So what the back looks like. Got the 360 Jeezy right there. Man, when you open it up, man, I wanted it to be I wanted to give you that iPhone box feeling, you know what I'm saying? I wanted to give it that red bottom type of feel, you know what I'm saying? Got the 360 Jeezy right there. Me right here, I took this picture in 2020 in the pandemic, you know what I mean? Got the bio right here, the clipper right here. See the insert, man. And I definitely am an aesthetics guy, you know what I mean? I like matching, so I told Stylecraft I needed the red guards. It looks dope with the clipper. That's what it looks like right here. Sound test. Definitely feels more powerful than the Instincts. But let me show you guys what it looked like with the guard on. Oh, magnetic guards. Just a beautiful clipper all the way around, man, even with the guard on. These do not come zero gap, so you do got to zero gap them a little bit. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. I'm not really going to do a review on these, man. I really want to hear from the people and what everybody else has to say. Me reviewing it would, you know what I'm saying? I don't think people would take my word per se, you know what I'm saying? Because it's like, it's your clipper, you're gonna say it's good, you know what I mean? So I really want to hear what other people have to say. So I'm gonna be doing some reactions on people that make videos on these. When you guys get yours in, make sure you tag me on any reviews that you guys do. I really would like to see y'all opinions. I got the opinions of my guys at the shop. They love them. So I'm very confident in this clipper right here, man. These right here. Salute to Stylecraft, man. Salute to Stylecraft for hitting me up wanting to collab with me. You know what I mean? It's been a lot of clipper companies that, you know, send me different stuff, and I just appreciate StyleCraft for letting me keep my voice, being able to review or show any clipper or trimmer that I want. You know what I mean? I don't know if any other clipper company would have did that. You know what I mean? So major shout out to StyleCraft. This is a big moment for me. Like I said, the pre-orders is starting now. You guys could go pre-order it, but the official launch ain't gonna be until March. And I wanna say, at the end of February, I'm going out to LA at that show. That's gonna be the official launch. You know what I'm saying? Where you could go buy it in person and meet me. And maybe, you know, I could sign your StyleCraft X360. You know what I mean? But other than that, man, I'm gonna just show you guys more in-action footage of me using these things, man. Stay tuned.
360 degrees. 360 degrees. 360.
Where you get your beats?
HustleDreamProduction.
Alright, you guys, just like every other haircut, what you want to do is pick the hair out, make sure the hair is nice and neat before you start cutting. Now my client, he wanted to cut it halfway down. He still wanted to keep the afro, but we're gonna give him a taper, crispy line, cut down the afro, no curl sponge. So right now, I'm basically gonna clear out all the bulk by using my curved shears. I'm gonna link the shears down below so you guys can easily pick them up. But right now, I'm not really necessarily shaping, I'm just clearing out most of the bulk. So I got most of the bulk off. So right now I'm gonna pick it back out because you don't wanna just leave it at that, all right? The hair, once your client picks it back out and go home, he's gonna notice it's super uneven. So make sure you repick it and reshape it. Next, I'm gonna work on the sides, giving my client a like medium low taper. I'm gonna set in a basic taper, straight line, no curve or nothing like that. So I'm gonna use my trimmer setting in my bald line, and I'm gonna go up right above the crease of the ear. Next, I'm gonna use my StyleCraft X clipper with the lever open, going up about a ½ inch. Now put it on the one guard with the lever open, going up about the same width, scooping out because you are dealing with a fro. You don't want to just go straight up. That's going to kill off the transition into the afro. So make sure you scoop out. So before I finish off the bulk that's on the top, I always like to work my way back down. All I did was close the lever on that zero guard to basically take out that middle line. So depending on the texture that you're dealing with, sometimes that zero guard just doesn't take it out. So what I like to do is take off the guard with the lever open. I like to go in those areas where I see bulk, basically just detailing at this point, all right? Really making sure that that middle line is fully taken out. Next, with the lever closed and a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line, all right? So I'm not gonna stop there. Moved in a little closer so you guys can see. I'm gonna work on that bulk that's at the top. I'm gonna bring the comb and basically just comb that area down. That way I can get a smooth transition. So with my lever closed, I'm basically gonna freehand that one guard into the afro at the top, making sure everything is nice and smooth. And lastly, you want to detail your work. Detailing is extremely important. It sets you apart from being just an average barber. I like to look in the mirror to show me a different perspective on the blend than just seeing it head on. So make sure you detail your work. Now, as far as the back goes, it's the same exact step. Only difference is you have more room to work with. The thing I would suggest for all barbers, all beginner barbers to know is that you want to memorize these steps as much as possible. You don't want to have to think about cutting hair, all right? Think about what guard to use or what do I do next. You want to have these steps memorized as much as possible. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like, got it, got it, got it, got it, yeah, got it. YouTube, this is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.